everyone and welcome back to my channel. Again, it's me Aparna and today I'm sharing with you all my DIY pamper session. So Diwali is just coming in like 1 week and what are we guys doing? Just cleaning our house and what are this house like this beauty right here. So yeah, today I'm sharing with you a very quick easy peasy 20-minute kind of a pamper session. If you want, you can continue this for the next 7 days, or if you want that best effect, then do it at night time. Yes, that's give you the 100% best result. So yeah, without much more blabbering, let's get started. So first I was starting off with my hair. As you can see, it's look so gross. Like, can you see all that tangles? Like, seriously. But still, we are here just to fix all this. So the product I will be using for my hair is the Root Therapy Onion Oil Advance, and you guys know I love this stuff. Like, I literally love this stuff. And I have shared a whole in-depth review about this product. I will link it in the description box or above the I button. You can check that out. Like, I have experimented with 1 month and I love this stuff. Like, I had a whole depth review about this product and still thought at that time I freaking loving it. So आज मैं इसे अपने पैम्पर सेशन में जरूर इस्तेमाल करूंगी क्योंकि ये हेयर ग्रोथ प्रमोट करता है और
दिवाली तक पता नहीं शायद मेरे बाल बहुत लंबे हो जाएं. Just kidding. So yeah, let's get started with this. Is the most difficult part ever.
After this, we're gonna move with the face massage, and I mentioned this in my previous quite few videos that massaging is very important. So for that, my holy grail trusted aloe vera. If it doesn't suit you, then go for bamboo gel, lotus gel, any kind of gel if you have a massaging cream, but for me aloe vera suits the best. So I will be just starting out with massaging so that it improves the textures of my skin, then it will make it more soft and supple, more hydrated, and importantly it will make it glowy, and that's the most important thing I want. So I will use this as my spot treatment. As you can see, like, I'm having a few of the pimples here and there, like. So yeah, I will just spot correct it. Just putting my finger, and don't worry, this is my fresh, clean hand. So I will let this sit on my face until it's get nicely dried and absorbed in my skin, and then I will go for a good relaxing shower, and I'll see you after my shower.